All right, guys, here we go. We got an awesome product here, and I want to share it with you. And I want to give you a couple reasons as to why you need the Alpha Infinity. This bad boy, this is the Standard Series Thunder Shadow Hunter with infinite boost. I don't know about you, but if your kids are into these types of games, this is absolutely what you're looking for to make it all happen. So let's go ahead and get it cracked open, and we can see you're able to speed up your Nado. Okay, press the trigger and launch the battle just like that. So if you've ever done one of those pool things, no pool things anymore, because this is going to actually take care of all those issues for you. So let's go ahead and get it open here so we can see exactly what we are working with. So the Thunder Shadow Hunter, okay, it's a 40 on attack, 53 on defense, 60 on endurance, 45 on balance, and 10 on flexibility. There's your stats, so you are working with it and just get a little bit of idea of what we got going on. All right, let's see here. Open this guy up. All right, so this is pretty cool. It's going to show different levels of them right there. You have an opportunity to collect them all. Shows which ones are the best. So if you're out there looking and you're looking for some sweet stuff, that's kind of cool. Shows you how to load it. Let's get into it. You got a playing card. Looks like I might have a couple stickers. And then we got the actual units. All right. See if we can get this popped out here. Take a peek. Well, they surely did not miss on the packaging. Did really well with that. Here we go. That's one. And boom. And last piece. All right. So looking at the directions themselves. Okay, disassemble. Okay, so this will help us disassemble right here. So you can use this piece and pop it on, and it will help you take it apart. So you're able to put it down here, twist, and it will start to disassemble. So there's our tool for disassembly. You're going to turn it over, and you're going to twist. This would be counterclockwise. And then obviously putting it back together, twisting clockwise on it. So it comes apart in multiple pieces. So let's go ahead and see here. You're going to drop this in just like that. Oh, we already got it back. Okay. So boom. So we're going to go forward and backwards. And let's see, what are we missing? So, there we go. All right, so totally missed that piece. Let me fire this. Okay, so this has 2 notches in it. You want to make sure it's in the proper notched area. Okay, I was putting it on the wrong one, so I didn't get it. Look at that. Okay, now we're gonna get to spin. Hopefully, woo! That just shot off everywhere. That is super cool. Let me grab it. I'll pull back up here and we'll see if we can hold on to it up top. All right, so I got it back. Okay, so you're going to pull down on this, and it's going to spin it however you want to, just like so. Let's let it slow down, and then you're going to pop it here. Let's see if we can get it. Look at that. That is sick. That is super cool. So you're able to just make it happen. And again, this version is going to be kind of like a all-around average aspect. So we'll go ahead and, again, so you're going to pop this on until it clicks. You're going to pull this up and back, and it's going to start to spin just like that. And there you have it. Guys, this is super cool. My kids are going to have fun playing with it, making this a whole lot easier to make it happen. But you can see little playing card, buyback right there. And this thing is sweet. What a cool little kid's toy. Super excited to play with it with the kiddos.